Hi everybody, this is Arul here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to control an external electrical devices using a simple Python code. This basic concept is also used in robotics programming. Let's get started. So for this project, we need a Raspberry Pi. I'm using Raspberry Pi 3 and a breadboard and then a LED light. So LED light and jump wires and the resistor. So if you have a couple of LED lights like this, you can take it up for this project. And also we need a couple of jump wires like this and resistors as well for other LED lights. Next we have to log into the Raspberry Pi. So once you log in, go to the Raspberry icon, open the programming and open the Python IDE. So IDE is an integrated development environment. So once that is done, you just make a simple print statement in the shell, right? So just give an hello statement and just try to print, check whether it works. Yes, it works. Next we will I will show you a file called LED Python. So this is just a for loop statement, a simple for loop where I'm going to put a range, right? So like x in range 0 to 3. I'm going to print the statement like lights on and off. So what this is going to do, it's going to go in a loop and print this statement thrice. Let's check it out. Yes, so this is printed thrice, right? So it goes to the for loop and prints it. Likewise, we are going to integrate the real LED light and make it blink. Now I connected my LED light to the Raspberry using the breadboard. This is our circuit diagram, 7 as an out and 6 as an ground. So once that is done, we just need to write a couple of code. So this is our code. So where we import RPI GPIO as in GPIO general purpose input output. This helps us to control the GPIO pins in the Raspberry. And next we import the time and then we set the mode as GPIO.board to simplify the numbering of the GPIO pins. I don't want to use any complex numbering, and then I'm making 7 as an GPIO out. So this pin 7 will give us an output. This is a simple for loop which I have used previously, like range 0 to 3. Where I'm going to give an output 7 as an true and then making to sleep for 2 seconds and again making to false. So GPIO cleanup will clean the assignment that we have done above. Now let's check whether our code works. Let's try to execute it. And yes, light started to blink. So this will blink for 3 times. Next I connected the orange and the green LED lights. I used some additional jump wires and the resistors for the same, and I will also show you the circuit diagram here. So here the 11 as output for orange and 13 for green light. So I modified this code now to give an output for 11 and 13 for the GPIO pin with the same loop I have added. Now I will try to execute it. Yes, now with the time interval of 2 seconds, this light started to blink. Now I added some print statement and also made the sleep time to 1 second. Let's check it out how the light blinks now. Yes, now the lights are blinking for every 1 second and the statement is also printed in the console. And now I'm going to do a little bit trick to the program where I'm going to make all the LED lights to blink at the same time. So I have done the changes. Let me save the code. Let's run it. So now if you see, all the LED lights will blink at the same time at an equal time interval. So this is how we can control the external electrical device like lights or motors. So this is a basic concept to control the LED lights, right? So this can also be used in robotics programming to control the electronics. In fact, this kind of programming is also used in our traffic signal coordination to know the status of nearby signal. So they also follow like an adaptive signal control technologies. They have a very sophisticated controlling system. Even they use machine learning, AI to optimize traffic flows. They also have an edge location control system. You would have seen a big box near to a traffic signal where we can control the traffic patterns at the edge location. And even now, the sensors have become an essential part, right? So that are being integrated with the traffic signal. Like with a small sound sensor or infrared sensor, an ambulance can control the traffic signals. So this is all called actuated systems. So behind these actuated systems, can see these kind of programmings that is done to control and optimize the traffic flows in the city. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please do subscribe the channel and follow. I'll come up with a new content in my next video. Thank you. Bye bye.